Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss class 6 biology chapter 4, that is health and hygiene, exercise questions and answers, and all the test yourselves. First, short and precise questions. Number A, show the following processes in the form of flowchart. Number 1, composting. The answer is vegetable and fruit peels, dry leaves, farm wastes, dead plants, animal excreta are dumped into pits. Then the pits covered with soil. Then microorganisms present in the soil convert these wastes into compost or manure, and the procedure is called composting. Question number 2 is the flowchart of sewage treatment. The answer is water through sewage pipe is taken to the sewage treatment plant. Then water moves through special screens that remove solid wastes. Then these solid wastes is then converted into manure. After that, the treated water can be reused or released into the water bodies. Number B, give reason for the following statements. Question number 1, health is not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. Answer is health is not merely an absence of disease or infirmity, because any person who is physically fit and mentally sound is considered to be healthy. Question number 2, growing children need more carbohydrate and proteins as compared to old people. Answer is growing children need more carbohydrate and proteins as compared to old people, because carbohydrate provide them energy for their various activities and proteins help their bodies to grow. Number 3, junk food has more calories but little nutritional value. The answer is junk food has more calories but little nutritional value because it is rich in carbohydrate, fat and salt, which have high calories. Number 4, a person cannot remain fit if he is clean but his surroundings are dirty. A person cannot remain fit if he is clean but his surroundings are dirty, because it affects the overall health of the people. Number 5, diabetes patients should avoid food rich in starch and sugar. Diabetes patients should avoid food rich in starch and sugar because in diabetes the body is neither able to use sugar nor store it in the liver. Therefore, the level of sugar in the blood rises and it is passed out in the urine. Question number C, answer in short. Number 1, why is water essential for our body? Answer is water essential for our body because it helps to eliminate toxic wastes from the body. Question number 2, what happens if a person does not eat a balanced diet? Answer is if a person does not eat a balanced diet, he or she may suffer from deficiency diseases or obesity. Question number 3, what do you mean by calories? Answer is the energy stored in food items is measured in calories. Question number 4, what are minerals? Write a few sources of food rich in minerals. Answer is minerals are important for proper growth and development of the body. Sources of minerals are number 1, milk, cheese, eggs are rich in calcium. Number 2, cereals, pulses, green leafy vegetables are rich in iron, etc. Number 5, mention the symptoms of uremia. The answer is symptoms are fatigue, lethargy, loss of mental concentration, dry and flasky skin, loss of appetite. Question number 6. What do you mean by community hygiene? Answer is keeping the surrounding clean to maintain good health and fitness of the people is called community hygiene. Next, test yourself. Page number 59. Write 2 diseases which are spread through the followings. Number 1, air. Answer is influenza and tuberculosis. Number 2, food and water. Answer is typhoid, cholera. Number 3, direct contact. Answer, conjunctivitis, scabies. Number 4, insects. Answer, malaria and dengue. Next, test yourself from the page number 66. Match the following columns. Column A, number 1, protein deficiency disease. Number 2, vitamin deficiency disease. 3, heart disease. 4, cancer. 5, degenerative disease. Column B, number A, malignant. Number B, kwashiorkor. Number C, atherosclerosis. Number D, arthritis. Number E, scurvy. The answer is number 1B, 2E, 3C, 4A, 5D. Next, test yourself is from the page number 69. Give any 2 steps you should take for each of the following. Number 1, personal hygiene. Answer is 1, a daily bath keeps the skin clean and free from disease causing germs. Number 2, brush teeth twice a day to keep the mouth clean and odor free. Number 2, oral hygiene. Answer is avoid eating chocolate and toffees that are sticky. Number 2, use dental floss or soft thread to remove food particles that get stuck in between the teeth. Eye care. Number 1, avoid reading in dim light in a moving vehicle or while lying down. Number 2, wash your eyes with clean water 2 or 3 times a day. Number 4, hair care. Massage oil on your head to improve blood circulation and to keep the hair glossy. Next is comb your hair to get rid of dust in them. Now test yourself, page number 70. Number A, define community hygiene. Answer, keeping the surrounding clean to maintain good health and fitness of the people is called community hygiene. Number B, write down any 2 programs carried out by municipalities. Answer is safe drinking water and proper disposal of wastes.